Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is David Benjamin. Today I'm reviewing the Chef's Foundry pans. These are ceramic pans, and the reason I got these is because if you're familiar with nonstick pans, they have something called PFAS, which are a class of forever chemicals that cause birth defects, that cause all sorts of issues with your immune system, and so much more. And I found this brand, Chef's Foundry, online, and this is their one set of ceramic cookware, which is a small, medium, and then large, um, just like a saucepan kind of thing. And I thought they were really cool because first and foremost, they're ceramic. So ceramic is made from clay, and it has the sort of benefits of being nonstick because that clay it cooks, but then it has sort of that nonstick benefit without the PFAS in them. So what else is cool about these pans that I like is the handle here. You pull this back and that actually pops off. So for travel or storage or whatever it may be, that's a really cool feature that I thought was really unique. But yeah, I've been using them for, I don't know, maybe a week now or so. And I absolutely love them. I use this pan all the time. I use the big one. Typically, I'll just cook dinner in this. As you can see, it has more use. Yeah, it works really well. What I like about it is it gives you sort of that benefit of being a nonstick pan without having the PFAS chemicals in them, those forever chemicals that damage your hormones, your endocrine system, your immune system, that are known to cause birth defects in children, that really damage children. So what I like is that they're chemical free. And for me, with these pans, I am able to cook quickly. And because they still don't stick, it's almost like a nonstick pan without the toxic chemicals. That's basically what it is. So I used to use stainless steel and cast iron. You know, these are good solutions, but the problem is that cast iron, everything sticks. And stainless steel, oftentimes things will stick with stainless steel as well. And you have to use a lot more butter or fat or something to create a buffer with those pans. What I like about the ceramic pans is I can actually get the result that I want with my cooking while using less butter or fat, and it's less wasteful, right? Like over time, I'm not wasting these different oils and fats and things that some of which get cooked in the food, some of which get burnt, some of which I have to clean off, after the meal, which then just takes 10-15 minutes every night. So I like that these are a time saver. I like that they're more natural and free of the PFAS. And yeah, it's sort of the benefits of a nonstick pan, but with ceramic, with a clay-based pan. So I really like these a lot. They come with tops, and like I said, each of these. So this is the one set that I have is that's the large. This is the small, and then this is the medium. So you have different sizes, and then the handles. The handles are longer than I thought they would be, which is kind of nice. I like that too. The design is nice. They come up a little bit, and then once again for storage, everyone pops off like that. So I love these, and in fact, I was also surprised. 3 of these pans, ceramic, is like I think $200. They're on sale right now. So I'll put that link to the sale right now, at least. Hopefully you see this when it's on sale, but I'll put that link below because they're amazing. And 3 pans, for cooking. I cook eggs in these. I cook beef, chicken, vegetables. I've cooked all different types of things in these pans, and it works great. And then the top works great as well. I need to remember to use that more to hold in the heat. So I would definitely advise using that. And then obviously, a little thing for moisture to get out, which is normal, obviously, nothing new there. But yeah, I really like these pans. I like the design. I like the handles. I like how the handles raise, how they detach. And ceramic is honestly, this is something I've been looking to switch to for a while now. So I'm glad I finally got these. Totally worth it. Like I said, right now they're on sale, and yeah, it's just gonna speed up your cooking time and allow you to use less butter, less fats, less things like that. And you're not gonna have the PFAS chemicals in your food for yourself or your children or your family. So totally worth it. I'll put the link below to the sale once again. I think it's like 50% off right now, something crazy. Maybe not 50%, but it's like $100 off or something. So definitely check that out below. I'll put the link below. Once again, the brand is Chef's Foundry right here, Chef's Foundry. So I'll put that link right below so you can check that out. And then also I'll put a link to 20 different health and wellness brands that I personally use that have to do with health, home, cooking, food, superfoods, supplements, health technology, beauty, and so much more. Health for your entire body, inside and out, and in your home, fitness, etc. So I'll put a link below with more than 20 brands. It's 20 to 30 brands on that list now. About 75% of them, 3 out of 4 of those brands, have discount codes, free shipping, special offers, things like that. So I've negotiated those on your behalf. So check out that link below at healthywellfree.com/shop, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.